The Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper is the epitome of versatility and practicality, merging modern design with eco-conscious engineering to create a mobile unit that transforms how we live, cook, and explore. This innovative camper is tailored for those who love adventure, value sustainability, and need a compact yet comprehensive solution for their travel or entrepreneurial needs. At the core of the camper is its state-of-the-art kitchen unit, designed to fit seamlessly into the compact frame without sacrificing functionality. The dual-burner stove is adaptable, running on either gas or electric power, and provides a reliable platform for cooking meals anywhere. A stainless steel sink with a built-in water pump ensures access to clean water for cooking, cleaning, and drinking. The system includes separate fresh and greywater tanks, which are easy to refill and empty, promoting environmentally friendly use of resources. The kitchen's layout is optimized for efficiency and storage, boasting multiple compartments, shelves, and drawers that keep everything organized. Space-saving designs, such as magnetic knife holders, collapsible containers, and pull-out storage bins, ensure that even the smallest areas are used wisely. For those who require refrigeration, an optional solar-powered cooler or mini fridge can be integrated into the design, allowing you to store perishables for longer trips. The camper's most remarkable feature is its ability to expand and adapt. While traveling, the unit remains compact and easy to maneuver, ideal for tight spaces and urban environments. Upon reaching your destination, the camper transforms into a full-fledged kitchen with an expanded countertop, a pull-out workstation, and a retractable awning or canopy for shelter. This dynamic adaptability means you can cook comfortably in almost any setting, from bustling city streets to remote mountain trails. Outdoor dining is made easy with lightweight, portable tables and chairs included in the setup. These foldable furnishings allow you to create an instant dining area, whether you're enjoying a sunrise breakfast by the lake or hosting a dinner party under the stars. The canopy provides protection from sun and rain, ensuring that weather won't disrupt your plans. Sustainability is a cornerstone of the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper. Integrated solar panels provide renewable energy to power lights, charging ports, and small appliances, allowing for off-grid operation with zero emissions. The tricycle itself is powered by human effort, eliminating the need for fuel and significantly reducing its environmental impact. For those who need a little extra assistance, an optional electric assist motor is available, making it easier to navigate hills and long distances. This camper isn't just for personal adventures, it's also a powerful tool for entrepreneurs. Its compact size and mobility make it perfect for street food vendors, coffee stands, and other small businesses. Customizable branding options, menu boards, and specialized equipment can be added to create a professional setup that stands out in any market or event. The ability to move between locations allows business owners to reach new customers and adapt to changing demands, all while keeping operational costs low. For explorers and nomads, the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper provides the freedom to travel off the beaten path without sacrificing comfort. The sturdy frame and wide tires offer stability and durability on various terrains, from paved roads to dirt trails. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while the electric assist motor enhances performance, allowing users to carry heavier loads or tackle challenging routes effortlessly. Customization options further enhance the camper's appeal. Whether you need additional storage, enhanced lighting, or even a sleeping pod, the modular design allows for endless configurations. Solar battery packs, extended countertops, and cargo trailers can also be added to suit your specific needs. These features ensure that the camper adapts to your lifestyle, whether you're using it for personal adventures or professional pursuits. Maintenance is simple and hassle-free, thanks to the high-quality materials used in construction. The stainless steel and aluminum components are durable, lightweight, and easy to clean, ensuring that the camper remains in top condition even with frequent use. The water system is designed for easy access and cleaning, while replacement parts for the tricycle and kitchen components are readily available, making upkeep straightforward and cost-effective. Beyond its practicality, the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper represents a shift in how we approach travel and sustainability. It encourages a slower, more intentional way of exploring the world, where the journey becomes just as important as the destination. Whether you're cooking a fresh meal in the wilderness, hosting friends at a park, or running a pop-up business at a festival, the camper creates opportunities for connection, creativity, and discovery. This camper is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It embodies the values of freedom, adaptability, and eco-conscious living, allowing users to embrace a more sustainable and adventurous way of life. From solo travelers to families, from urban entrepreneurs to off-grid enthusiasts, the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper is designed to meet the diverse needs of modern living while inspiring a deeper connection to the world around us. With its innovative design, endless customization possibilities, and commitment to sustainability, the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper redefines what it means to travel and live on the go. It's a tool for exploration, creativity, and independence, offering a unique and rewarding way to experience the world. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or embarking on a lifelong journey, this camper is your ticket to a life of freedom, adventure, and unforgettable experiences.